I could request that you stay in any case nothing remains to be said. This separation has been close to home and long. In any case, I know areas of strength for I surmise we normally became separated. Be that as it may, it actually harms my heart. We went days without talking or messaging. Also, I could think about what was straight away. There were times we were unable to look at one another without flinching. How could we get this far and for what reason did something so extraordinary need to pass on? As I compose this recollection flood me. They help to remember all who used to be in any event when things were terrible. I never figured this relationship would end. Our message up hurts. I figured we could touch. Presently, you have left without farewell. I have no energy to try and cry. I realized it was over when we began getting things done all alone. You got so far off, and I was distant from everyone else. I had a go at inspiring you to see that I was still there. However, you decided and could not have cared less. There are numerous evenings when you are all that at the forefront of my thoughts. I trust satisfaction is what you find. There are days when I can't get up yet attempt is what you generally said. So consistently I attempt to put on a grin regardless of whether it's anything but a genuine one for some time. At any point we were together for such countless years. So do you cry tears? I realize I must let you go also sometime or another I will. However, blended feelings are what I feel. We both committed our reasonable part of errors. It seems like I am suffocating in pity, outrage, and disdain. All in various lakes, I sincerely wish you only awesome as my solidarity and perseverance is security noise. You can adore somebody so much. But you can never cherish individuals. However much you can miss them. At any point has it been that adoration knows not its own profundity until the whole of division. I realize that individuals say you will deal with it. I would say it as well. In any case, I know it's false. Gracious, you will be cheerful once more. Wouldn't ever fear. Be dead as it may. You will not neglect. Each time you fall head over heels. It will be on the ground that something in the man helps you to remember him. At the point when it's gone, you will understand what a gift love was. You will experience like this. So return and battle to keep it at the point when the sun has set. No candle can supplant it. Love you everyone of your days in the event that you decide. However, don't allow it to over indulge you for its underhanded to discard so many great gifts since you can't have one you need. When you adored somebody and needed to let them go. There will continuously be that little piece of yourself that murmurs. Could it have been that you needed and for what reason did not you battle for it? Your memory feels like home to me. So at whatever point my passage minders it generally tracks down its direction back to you. Thanks for watching.